Right guys, he's just hit a target here. I've gone over it, 95, 97.
Oh, it's big.
Silver.
Looks like it.
You reckon it's a big silver? Let's have a look. Oh god. That's big. That's half crown, that. Right, morning guys, Saturday morning, back up on the military camp permission with our Daz and Johnny.
Morning guys.
A few hours on here and then I think we're going to go to another permission and have a few hours on there, so I'll see you on the first. Right guys, first of all, just coming to the middle field, got an 84, 85, pulled the plug back and I thought I was on a coin, but looks like a null button. Oh no. No, it's coin. Fantastic. Thought I saw a bit of a shank on the back of there. So yeah, straight off with a coin. It's a funny one. Not sure what that is. Must be a farthing, I think. Right, fantastic. See you on the next. Right guys, second hole. It's really deep. Just make it out. But look at the numbers. Where is it? There it is. 93s, 88s, could be a silver this. Like I said, I could only just make that out. Oh yeah. 93, 94, good feeling on this. It's going to be deep though, like I said. Might have to come back to you. Oh no, we're on it. Just down there. I can see summit. Yep, we're on coin. Pick the imprint up there then. Isn't that good? I'm gonna say, yep, it's looking like George the First or George the Third. Looking right. I'll let it dry out. Anything comes through, I'll show you the detail. But beautiful signal. Usually George the Second, Thirds, aren't they, in the 90s, early 90s. See you on the next. Right guys, just shouted out with Johnny. Just had a signal here, 96, 97. Dug round, popped the plug out, and right on top I've got a massive coin. Fantastic. There it is. There's your imprint. Like I said, 96, 97. It's got to be it's a big George the Third penny. But absolutely beautiful signal. Can't believe we've missed that in the past. Massive George the Third penny. Yeah, absolutely cracking. It's just started to rain. Massive clouds just come over, so after, let it dry out and I'll show you the detail. See you on the next. Right guys, this one, 84 solid. Just put the plug back after cutting it. I can see a coin down in the bottom. Straight there. Some edge to that. Load of crud on the back. Quite interesting that. Again, let it dry out. Not sure, might be. Don't think it's George III. I think it's later than that. Could be a Victoria or something. But fantastic. See you on the next. Right guys, a couple of feet from that coin I just got, that halfpenny. Got a beautiful one coming in here. 83, 85, 86. It's got to be another coin, surely. A lady came up to us on the tractor and said a wedding ring's been lost in one of these fields. Which one is it? Let me just show you. Just over the dry stone wall in there. So we're going to give that a go in a bit, see if we can find that, hand it back in. Yeah, sounds lovely this. Yeah, it'd be good if we can find that for her. Right, and that signal is a massive piece of lead. Big rectangular piece of lead, weighs an absolute ton that. Something going on there. Let's get my pokey stick. Yep, hollow in the middle. Anyone got any ideas what it could have been? Leave it in the comments, but big piece of lead that. Right, see you on the next. Right, this one guys, 83, 84, straight in the bottom there. I found that. It's made of lead, and I found a few of these before on this permission. It's got like a nipple on it, 2 holes, very thin holes. Anyone got any ideas? Again, just leave it in the comments, and I'll see you on the next. Right guys, our dad has joined us. He said he's got a few things. He's been in a different field.
For a bracelet.
Bracelet?
I don't know if it is or not. I doubt it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I reckon it is. Yep, definitely going for like a bracelet on there guys. It's got that shape to it, hasn't it?
That, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, there's some markings on there.
I can't see, I'm going to go some.
Yeah, nice.
I don't know what that is. Looks like a...
piece of crap in it.
I don't think it is a bracelet.
Oh, I don't know. Sure, I saw some markings somewhere.
Oh, my eyes are too shit for that, man.
Right, see you on the next guys. Right guys, he's just hit a target here. I've gone over it, 95, 97.
Oh, it's big.
Silver.
It looks like it.
You reckon it's a big silver? Let's have a look. Oh god. That's big. That's half crown that.
That's definitely coin.
Yeah.
Look at the...
Oh, that's Victoria that. You jammy sod. Guys, this is massive. It's a massive, massive coin.
Joe!
I've never seen Vicky half crown.
It is half crown as well.
Yeah. Let's get a look at that.
Bunhead, beautiful.
Amazing. God, some weight in that does. Look at that guys.
Absolutely beautiful.
I'll get it on the other camera. 1842 half crown, Queen Victoria. Oh, it's beautiful. Right, clean it up, show you the detail. Right guys, here we go. How it does is Vicky Bunhead half crown.
There's more in there.
More in it? Bloody hell, there's more in the old guys. Bit of a clean up, it'll be absolutely beautiful. 1842.
Oh, we coined again.
It's another. It's white, it's another one. He's got another one guys.
Oh, it's another silver.
Fantastic, Britannia era.
Silver spill.
Look at the detail on that. He's just hit another. He went back in the hole. Another silver coin. It's got to be Vicky to go with the half crown, hasn't it?
Oh, look at that. What a hole.
You're shaking.
Shaking like a woman.
Let's have a look. Yep, another Vicky Bunhead, silver. Fantastic. There we go. Let's get the zoom. Fantastic.
Oh, there's another one.
He's got another one, guys. He's got another one.
3, same hole.
Get out. Silver again.
Silver again.
Oh my god. Right, 1 minute, does. Do this one. Right, this one, it's going to be a 6pence. No, it's a shilling, 1 shilling. Oh, this was a massive loss, this, back in the day.
That's empty now.
Third one, it's got a crud on it. We'll clean it up, see what that is. But I'm definitely going for... what is it? I'm not even sure what it is, guys. We'll clean it up. Oh, it does. It's a bullhead. It's a George for a bullhead, as you can see there, guys. Absolutely amazing. Get your pinpointer back in that hole.
I've just been in, there's nothing there.
God, that is amazing.
3 in 1 hole.
That is amazing.
He's shaking like a shitting dog.
Nice one, bro. Get him, bang. See you on the next, guys. Right, guys. Unbelievable. That's the hole that's just done the big coin spill, silvers. Just here, I've gone over it and I've hit a 92, 93. So he's on another one that he's missed. But come on. Go on, Daz, get it dug. Massive, beautiful sound. 4 silvers in the spill.
It has to be. You've got 3 silvers inside of it.
You put your life on it, it's got to be a silver. 3 silvers have come out, so there's got to be a 4th one. Come on, let's see it just sat there. Yeah, oh, whoa, whoa, there's
2.
Right, guys, sorry about the language, but there's 3 more silvers.
That's 6.
This is unbelievable.
What a spill.
Daz, a bullhead. Right, guys, we've got a bullhead on the plug.
We've got 2 in a spade.
Yep, let's just have a quick look at this one.
Oh, look at that one.
Another Vicky shilling.
Bullet.
Oh, look at that. Another Vicky shilling. And on this one here, we've got another bullhead. Jesus, Daz. This is unbelievable, guys. 6 silvers in the hole. Put your pinpointer in there.
Just let me clean these up.
This is unbelievable.
6 in 1 hole.
So that's a Vicky half crown.
Perfect condition.
2 Vicky shillings. 3 bullheads, I think. Go and get a pinpointer in. We're on this footpath, guys, and I'm not kidding you. 5 years I've been on this footpath. Up and down it, up and down, and totally missed this signal. That's unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah. No, that's it.
That is unbelievable. Get in there, bro. Fantastic. Boom. See you on the next, guys. Right, guys, it's gone mental. Our Daz, there's his 2 holes that you can see.
One there.
I went into the DPHC mode on the Deus 2 for the depth, and I've plucked another one. Coming in 80s, 90, where he is there. So he's going to dig that in a minute. Just here, I've got a signal. Look at that. 92 to 94.
Scott, there's another here.
Yeah, it's a massive coin spill.
There's another here, side of them 2. Where the 6 one, there's another one.
Right, massive.
Do yours.
It's a massive silver spill. Right, guys, let's dig mine now. Just there. Jesus, this is exciting, this, isn't it? Hopefully, it's a spill again, and not just one, but I'll be happy with one. Oh, 94 in the plug. Come on, give us one of them half crowns.
Right, massive. 28.
Right, guys, straight there, and it's silver.
Silver again.
Let me just sort the camera out. There you go, guys. There's the edge. Gorgeous. What is it? What do you reckon it is, lads?
Bullet. You just said the 3 bullets. Just said 3.
Oh no, it's another beautiful shilling. Yep, going to be Queen Victoria. Yeah, what an look at the detail on that, Daz. Oh my God. That is amazing. Guys, I'll get it on good detail on my other camera in a minute. Let's see what our Daz has got. Nothing else in there, is there?
Is there yours? Check the yours.
That is fantastic. What a spill.
It's still showing 18 in the yours.
Is that because my trouser? Let's go over it with mine.
There's something there.
Nah, quiet. Right, on to our Daz's now, guys. Oh, there's definitely another one. We're coming up 80s, early 90s. 1 minute. Hold that, John.
Let's go over this area.
Right, guys. There's your numbers. 88, 90s. Right, Daz, that's where your hole needs to be.
This has got to be part of
Deep, go as deep as you can with your shovel.
Well, I can't get too deep. Mine's not that deep.
Yeah, it could be because it's. He's had 2 free spills there, hasn't he? Two holes with 3 coins in each.
I can't get that deep with my spade.
It's alright, you'll get it with a pinpointer. What a spill. Come on. Are you in hole? Check your plug.
There's so I can hear the but see you?
Right, hang on. Get the Deus.
What's it?
Let's have a go. Oh yeah. Look at them, 99. This could be another massive half crown, this. While he's doing that, guys, just look at that. It's like absolute brand new. I'll get it on the other camera, don't worry.
You have to dig deep.
Yeah. This is unbelievable. Get your pinpointer. Make sure you don't scratch it.
I'll find it first.
Right, go on, get your pinpointer on it. It's got to be in that spoil.
Vanished.
No, it can't vanish. Yeah, watch out. Move that spade. No, it's still there.
I can't dig deep enough.
Right, guys, we're going to come back to you when we get it. Right, guys, he's recovered it. I'll just show you the hole. The depth
down there
of that is stupid. Right down in the side wall, another silver. We'll count them up, and like shilling. I said, I'll get the detail. Another Vicky shilling.
Yep.
God,
I'm not sure he's on it.
It's a mega amount of money for the day. This.
It's a bunhead.
Yeah.
Bunhead shilling.
Fantastic. Unbelievable. There you go, guys. Another stonking Vicky bunhead. 1 shilling. I'll get them all on camera now for the detail. Fantastic. Right, guys, them are our dazies, what he's found. The one that's just come out of the hole is that one. Absolutely beautiful again. Vicky bunhead, 1 shilling, 1846. The one I found, my hole's still open there, is this one. Let me just focus in. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful coin. On the back, 1839, 1 shilling.
Within about 3 foot of each other.
Yep, so all together, there we go. Best holes of the year for us, that.
Fantastic.
See you on the next, guys. Right, guys, if you follow us foot tracks, up there is where the massive silver spill were. Our Daz has just walked down. He's got a signal here, I've just gone over it. 95 on the Deus 2. Let's see what it is. Come on, let's have another. Straight on it there. It's going to be in that coin ball.
Coin. Modern.
It's mad, isn't it? You go from 7 or 8 silvers to a, what is it, modern 2p?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Coin's coin, innit? Take anything. Yep. Modern 2 pence, guys.
Where's the coin?
Bit battered, but we'll have it. Here you go, mate.
Use it.
See you on the next, guys. Right, guys, I've just hit another fantastic signal here. What numbers does on Knox?
27.
27 on the Knox.
Right there.
Yep, on the Deus. 91, 92s. It's got to be a silver. Or, yeah, it's a big silver, or it's going to be a big Georgia third or something.
Full.
No, still down there. 92 in the hole.
It's dropped it. No, it's varying.
Oh, you sod. You had an heart attack.
I just had one similar.
Big gold lid. But if you can see the edge there, guys, how it's reeded. Damn it, I thought I was on something good then.
22 I've got down there.
Yep, never mind. See you on the next. Right, guys, our dad's has just come over. He's found a buckle. You won't believe this. Beautiful. Look at the detail on that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got a bend on it, so I'm not sure if it's a shoe buckle or it's just been bent.
I think so, for shoe.
Yeah, but absolutely gorgeous. Look at the back of it. I thought it was silver at first. It might even be. I'm not sure until we give it a clean. Bit of weight to it. Is there something there? There might be a mark in that corner there. I'll give it a clean and I'll let you know. But
think it's military?
no, No, that's fancy, that. That's really fancy for military. So he's got that, and also he's got this lovely little badge with national on it. It's like an head with wings on the helmet. Beautiful. Anyone knows what it's off? I've seen that before somewhere. So if you know, just leave it in the comments. But fantastic, cracking day. Good, bro?
Yeah.
Nice one. See you the next. Right guys, this hole, it was only 52, but it sounded really nice. Down inside wall, little coin ball. It looks like a coin, could be a button, but can't see it being a coin at 52. It is, you know, it's full of hard crud. Yep, it's definitely a coin. 52. Halfpenny. Probably from that. We're just near where the silvers were, which is all here. So it's probably from his pocket or something. But it's a strange shape, that, to be fair. But I'm going for an halfpenny. Right, see you on the next. Right guys, our Daz is at a threepenny bit. Quite nice.
2 ships.
George the 6th.
Modern
He's
2p.
he's just bragging with all this silver he's got.
Modern 2p.
Look at that lot. Fantastic.
Nice, isn't it?
Jammy saw the of that. See you the next. Right guys, we've just come through that entrance at the dry stone wall. Still on the footpath, next field. Come across, I've got an 85, 86. Straight down there in the corner, I can see another coin. And it's a penny. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. There's Britannia. Absolutely beautiful condition. Look at that. George V. It's just stunning. It's like brand new. Absolutely fantastic. Boys are down there on the footpath. I'll follow them down, see if they've missed anything. So I'll see you on the next. Right guys, over at wall there, that's the military upfield. Our Daz has just shouted. He's got a new ship penny.
1940, good condition. Quite a nice one, too.
Yeah. I've just got a beautiful George V penny up there.
George 6. 1940. Ship halfpenny.
Beautiful. Yep, cracking condition that. George 6. Really nice on the back as well, with a chip on it. Fantastic. See you on the next. Right guys, still on this footpath. Our Daz is digging something there. I've just got an 85 down in here. Pop the plug back. And in this coin ball, just on the other side, got a beautiful coin looking at me. George V, halfpenny. There's your imprint. It's absolutely beautiful, that imprint. Yep, there's the coin. Perfect condition. Absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic this. Right, see you on the next. Right guys, couple of feet from that one, got another one coming in. There's the numbers, exact same, 85, 86. Should be another penny. Yep, 89 now in the hull. Fantastic day up to you at this. Straight in the middle. Just there. Right, it's not a coin, but it's a big piece of lead, I think. Let me just try and scratch it. Yep, big piece of lead, square piece. Right, see you on the next. Right guys, he's gone back up to near where he got them silvers, and he's shouting. Got a beautiful signal, could be another coin. Get up there, see what it is. Right, he's saying it's a coin. Not silver. Oh, sounds like coin.
Probably a silver.
What's that? Oh no. There, coin. Silver. No, is it? No, copper. Oh. Halfpenny.
Yeah.
Fantastic footpath, innit? Got some good footpaths on our permissions.
Is it a ship?
Yeah, ship halfpenny. Bit battered, but definitely a ship halfpenny. Georgia 6. Beautiful. Right, calm down you. See you on the next. Right guys, not many left now. Got a beauty coming in. 83, 84. See what it is. Yeah, it's been a cracking day. How it does with all them silvers. I got one of them as well. Fantastic day. Still down in the hole. 84, sounds beautiful. See if we can finish with a nice coin. Ooh, it's quite deep actually. I'm not getting anything at the moment. Yeah, it's not in the plug. Yep, straight down there. Beautiful soil, really nice and black. Bloody hell, it is deep. There's something down there. Yeah, just get my shovel. Right. There it is. Took some getting. What is it? That's quite interesting actually. Oval shaped. Yeah, oval shaped, bent. Some pattern going on in there. Not sure what it is. Little hole there. So a pendant, something like that. Right, fantastic. So that's it. I'll probably be out. I finish on the 20th for Christmas, so I've got 2 or 3 days before Christmas Day to get a couple of videos. So I'll see you then, guys. Until then, bye bye. See you later.